let's go back. I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to go back into my virtual machine. Okay. So I'm going back over here. Do you see we're on our all resources, right? We're going back in because we're going to add an actual data disk, okay, to this. So click on your demo lab VM01. Okay. When you get to the next blade, these are called blades. See where it says settings? There's this thing called disks. Okay, this is in your VM. I would like you to click on disks, please. Okay. Now, this is something that's not very intuitive, okay, but I'm going to show you why. And to show you what you have, there's two things you have to remember, and one that you have to, there's one like gotcha here. So we have the OS disk. Remember we created it there? Okay, so now we need a data disk. So let's go ahead and create and attach a new disk. There's a plus button. Okay, we need to give it a name. So just give it a name, demo lab disk -01. Okay, so as you see, we can put our naming convention there. Our storage type, premium SSD. Our size, we can add or delete size. And then our encryption, we can change that. Okay, host caching, you can do a lot of things to this one. What we're going to do here is, now that we've actually done this, the thing that most people do is they just back out because they think it's been saved. It has not been. There's only a few instances in Azure that are really the gotcha. So please, after you do that, make sure you hit the save button. Okay, otherwise you'll click out and you'll be like, wait a minute, where's my disk? As you can see, the ellipses is kind of going, it's saving the actual disk, okay? And when it's complete, you're going to see, oh, look at that. I actually have a link to my demo lab disk -01. So we've attached the actual disk to the virtual machine. Now we have an OS disk and we have a data disk. Now remember the backup, we don't have to back up the data disk because it's being backed up inside of that virtual machine already. So we're okay now. We don't have to do backup on the disk. We can back up just the whole thing, the whole VM, right? That actually now has this inside of it. All right. Now what I'd like you to do is click on Overview. Okay, it's up here. I want to show you something in Overview. I'm going to wait for everybody to catch up, just in case. Awesome. Okay, so when we're in Overview, we can actually connect to the machine right now. We can actually literally click this button, and we're going to come back to it. I just want to show it to you. We could click this button and actually get into our actual virtual machine right now.